Wow, what is happening here? I didn't get that, no.
Kill you! You know I'm an asshole. You can water my motherboard and stab you in the face. Not sure which camera I should be looking at right now! Ah!
Yes?
There's something scary in the mirror.
It's you. And there's Josh in the background there. Being kind of weird.
Johnny.
So, yeah, so. Yeah, so that's.
Leap.
You don't want to force screws into screw holes that don't have a screw for the screw hole. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, almost had it. Almost had it. That. What? Oh, there you go. You don't want to jam anything into anything.
Yeah, jam it in the hole. Let's go.
Sounds provocative.
Were you recording that whole time?
Mm-hmm. Still am.
Oh. We don't need all that.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
That's comical.
You're comical.
Your face is comical.
Your mom's comical.
I know she is.
Alright.
Why do you gotta bring my mom into it?
I don't know.
Respect.
I feel like bringing your mom into it.
Bring the dad into it.
What?
Oh. Yeah, I just went there.
Okay.
Ooh.
This is hard to film.
It is a mess. We got humor all around. Ashley's dying, Megan's dying.
What just happened?
I have no idea. I think they ate birds.
I don't know what just happened.
I think they ate birds while they were outside. Like they're flapping on the feathers or some shit like that. I don't know. There she goes snorting.
Alright guys, well everybody's cracking up in here.